How can you transform these simple ingredients into a meal you and your family will love? Let me show you how you can do it in less than 20 minutes. The ingredients are very simple. I have 2 pounds of cubed boneless breast and thigh, a pack of pasta, use any pasta that you wish, Parmesan cheese, a handful of garlic that needs to be grated, leftover parsley, you could use cilantro or scallion, hot pepper is optional, heavy cream is optional as well, but highly recommended if you want comfort food. If you already have the chicken prepped, we'll start boiling the pasta. Fill a pot with water. Place it over high heat and bring it to a boil. A tablespoon of salt. Now I'm using Himalayan salt. And if you have parsley that looks like this, it's beginning to melt and become yellow, just remove the yellow leaves and anything that's melted and rinse well. No need to discard the entire bunch of parsley. Okay. So this one is a little melted. And now I'll rinse. Next I'll place it in the mini food processor, but I'll chop first to make it easier to process. That's all the prep. Maybe a little piece of pepper, which is optional. It's Friday, so we need a little extra spice in our life. Next we'll place it in the food processor, along with a handful of garlic. You could count about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About a head of garlic. More if you wish, less if you wish. Do what makes you happy. After all, you're cooking for you. Then process until smooth. This is as fine or as smooth as it wants to get today, so we'll make it work. While the water is still coming to a boil, it takes forever. I'll get started on the chicken. I'm not sure if this pan is large enough, but say a prayer. We've had worse challenges in this kitchen that we overcame, so let's hope it works. Just a quick note, I've decided to add a piece of onion to the herbs that I blended or processed, so keep that in mind. Totally optional. I've made it without onion and it was still delicious. Now I don't want anyone to panic, but I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, followed by 4 tablespoons, hold on, fridge needs help, followed by 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Use good quality so you don't have to feel guilty. Fat equals comfort food. And this recipe was originally made with shrimp, so if you want seafood for your Seafood Friday, feel free to switch it up. Next I'll add in the herbs directly to the oil. Allow it to release all its delicious flavors into the oil, flavoring that oil-butter combo. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Why not season the chicken with the herbs? Well, this is how I've always made it. It's just that simple. This is how I've made it. Feel free to add it to the chicken if you wish. Next, we'll add in the chicken and cook until it's no longer raw. The heat is on high. If you're cooking shrimp, it will take only about 7 minutes or 8 minutes. But this will take a little longer, about 15, we'll see. Keep the heat on high so it does not release a lot of liquid. See you back in a couple of minutes. Next I'll add the pasta. Give it a stir and cook it according to the package directions. 8 to 10 minutes, sometimes. Meanwhile, grate Parmesan until you run out of patience, literally. It's going to take a while. Half cup or 1 cup according to your preference. Adjust the saltiness in your chicken to compensate for the addition of the Parmesan cheese. Salt a little. Remember, the cheese is salty, and pepper. White pepper, black pepper, whatever you have. Stir. We'll cook for about 5 minutes more. Next we'll add the cream. Give it a gentle stir. The pasta is done. It's been around 15 minutes. Took extra long today. I'll strain. Add butter. Next we'll add the pasta. Lovely, smells delicious. Reduce the heat to low. We'll give it a stir. Add more cream if you wish. And now we'll add the Parmesan cheese. I've made it without the Parmesan. It's still delicious. Many options and many variations today. Perfect for a party, perfect for a weeknight dinner, lunch, weekend lunch, brunch. Absolutely perfect. Comfort food. Add Parmesan to your liking. Don't make it too salty. And stir. You can add some pasta water if you remembered to reserve some. That's it. Done. Absolutely perfect. Yummy and delicious. Hope you give this one a try. And I hope you love it as much as I do, as much as my daughter does. So it tastes just like a restaurant. Enjoy. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Yummy. Can't stop. That's all there is to it, my sweet friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you wish to see more. Until next time, cook, share, love, and enjoy your life. Bye-bye.